Woke up this morning. You're never gonna believe what arrived at my doorstep. That's right, dude. It is a real life supply drop. Caesar Butte. Just got delivered an incredible package. I'm hoping for a couple chug jugs, you know, and a gold rocket launcher. All right, let's find out the surprise inside. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 Fortnite Black. What's this? These are the AKG headphones? Are you kidding me? There's more. It's a Fortnite Ninja case. Are these my actual stats? 1,451 solo wins, almost 1,400 duo wins, and almost 1,000 squad wins. Ooh. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9, beautiful. Oh, this is good. This is clean. It just kind of floats beautifully. I'm just pumped to play it. Behold the glory of the Samsung Galaxy skin. When you're in game and you're actually looking up and down at the character, you can see a universe inside his skin. So as you look up, like you'll literally, like his skin will change and shift. It's one of the coolest things I've ever seen. First impressions right now, I mean, no, it runs smooth, it feels smooth, it's super responsive. When I'm traveling so much and I don't have time to stream as much, like I'm usually traveling and I'm not missing, or I am missing out on game time rather. And I really, unfortunately, wish I could be always playing way more. And this is definitely gonna, I mean, now that I have this, let me get my games in. If I haven't mentioned it already, what the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 has is a water carbon cooling system, which basically is just going to keep the phone like cooler and allow the battery to last like a lot longer. Actually, I had no idea you can record and have a face cam going on. Screen being so massive and is definitely gonna give pretty much anyone an advantage that has this. I love how it's got like little vibrations every time I'm smacking and farming up, which is literally all I pretty much do. This is huge. But I mean, if I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm gonna be showing off the skin as much as absolutely possible. All right, guys, for those of you guys who do not know, there's a Samsung Galaxy bundle going on right now. You can pre-order right now down below in the video. You're going to get access to the AKG headphones, all right? Obviously, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and of course, 15,000 V-Bucks, all right? So many skins you can purchase with that, and of course, it's gonna come with this beautiful hunk of a man Samsung Galaxy skin. All right, guys? I'm just chilling. I just used a slurp.